Okay, so hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a really exciting video for you all. I'm going to be doing I have like a series of room decorating, like room renovation, makeover, vlogs and like videos, and like obviously I'll be doing a room tour. I'm getting my room completely redone. If you're new to my channel, I've said this quite a few times, but yeah, if you're new. And basically everything's new. The furniture's going to be new, like the floor's going to be new, like literally everything new. Like it's not even going to look like the same room remotely. And I'm completely getting it done, and I'm actually paying for it all myself, which I'm very proud of, because obviously I'm earning money now, and it's nice to pay for things, so I'm paying for it all myself before anyone says anything. Because my mum paid for my room when I was 10 to have it done, but I want it done again, obviously, because it's 4 years ago, and I get bored easily. But yeah, the first episode will be shopping and looking for things and buying like little bits and bobs, because I have all of my money to be able to buy things on the 11th, and the 11th of September, hopefully. But for now, me and my best friend Katie, will say hello. Hello!
Oh, my voice cracked.
We're going to Ikea in Lakeside to look at some things and little bits and bobs. Yay! So yeah, I'll do a little OOTD. Thank you. Okay, so I got these shorts are from River Island. It's a school, but it's a bit big, so I have to tie it, but it looks fine. And I don't know how much they were, but yeah, this was literally £10 from Misguided in the sale. This top's from Bershka. It was like $4.99. And then this necklace is from Chanel. It's the first time I'm wearing it, and it's really cute. But yeah, okay, my bag's from Teddy Blake. So yeah, it's my little OOTD. And then we're going shopping. Woo! Okay, so just to explain a bit better, yeah, I'm getting my room redone. Yeah. And basically I'm getting it done, but I don't know what I'm saying anymore. We're going to Ikea in Lakeside. I've already said that. Is there something wrong with me? Kate, genuinely. And today I'm just, because I only have a bit, like, not all my money yet, so I want to buy like everything together. What I'm doing is I'm having my floor done on Sunday, and it's currently Friday. And I'll have my floor done on Sunday, and then I'm going to buy my bed so I can still sleep in there. And that's like the 4th of September that will be done, hopefully. And then, but then I've got to wait till the 11th to get like everything. So yeah, there'll be lots of like little vlogs leading up. And this one today is a shopping with my best friend for looking for little cute bits and bobs.
Have you got the extra charger?
Yeah.
In your wire?
Yeah. Okay, let's go. So we're at Ikea, but it actually opens at 10, and we're here at 9:15, so yeah.
9:15.
But we knew it opened, but my mum had to get to a appointment in London with my dad, so that's dropped us off early for me to go. But yeah, this is Ikea in Lakeside, if you want to come along.
If you want to come along and join us.
Look how beautiful you look. The top is from Stradivarius. Yeah, Stradivarius, I don't know, or something like that. Yeah.
And then cycling shorts
from Pretty Little Thing. Trainers from Nike. From Adidas. No, I'm joking. Yeah, so this is exciting. I'm really excited, but we're going to be sitting here for a long time, and I'm cold, so I can't imagine how cold Katie is. When do you think like you can go in? I'm going to look
I reckon 9:30 because of the thingy, restaurant.
Yeah. Okay, we're going at 9:30, so we've got like 15 minutes. Okay, we're in Ikea. We just got our little thing.
There's a treasure hunt.
Yay! I love it. I used to go in that little play area.
Yeah, the little soft area.
Yeah, that was the best. Oh, there's a cake over. Right, do you need a toilet?
Yeah.
We need to get the measure. We need to get a pencil, put that there, and a little.
I just stock up my pencils. I'm joking.
And then this little cute thing. Put it
Here's
there.
a pencil.
Thank you. And then we'll get a.
I might just do it just to, make lists.
Yeah, just cute things.
For our apartment.
Yeah.
And then you just get your measurement.
Yeah, I got my little measurer. Cute.
Perfect.
How many times are we going to say cute?
Cute.
Too many times. Oh. Right, I'm going to put that through the window. That's going to work, I think, hopefully, if it don't fall. Yeah, okay, so we're not actually buying any big furniture today, but hopefully little bits and stuff, like cute things. I'm so weird, aren't I?
It's cute.
Yeah, okay. I literally love all these little bits and bobs, right? I literally love
Oh, this is
Ikea.
meant to be outside.
Yeah, I want to live in Ikea. I'd have that in my house, like in my house. Can we just live in Ikea, Kate? This is so cute. Oh my god. We're getting way too excited. Look, that is not very nice, but it's cute. Everything's just cute. All of it.
Decorate your room. Under £645.
Oh, that's not. It really?
There's no
That's
bed.
brilliant. Oh no. Well, I think that.
What's it smell?
You look great.
Look, there's little curtains.
I'm so excited.
One of you.
That's
Cute
right.
photo.
So we found my sofa. This is, we're going to get, not in green, oh my god, no, not in green at all. This is going to be the white sofa in my room. If you're wondering how everything's going to fit, don't worry, I've measured everything. I'll explain to you when we, in like another video. But yeah, we're going to write down like what aisle it's from and stuff like that. Okay, so we found my bed. This is 150. That one's looking at me, hang on, wait. Yeah, and basically I need quite a short bed because of the way I'm having my room. So do I fit? Yeah, and I always sleep like that anyway. I don't get my shoes on it. And I always sleep like that anyway.
Yeah.
So, look, I think that's fine.
Yeah. And you won't have that big pillow.
Yeah, and it's quite short, isn't it? So my wardrobe can open. That is definitely a big yes. It's the Hemleys. Sorry if I pronounced that wrong. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Excited. Okay, so we went in the range and we got and we got a few things. But now we're in HomeSense and I love HomeSense, so we're getting pillows. Oh, this, I'm joking. Clean my fanny. No, don't. I am. No, I don't. I don't clean it. I don't clean it.
No, you do.
No, I don't clean it. Oh yeah, I do. Not with that though.
No, not that. You just generally do.
Okay,
No,
so
that's
my
fine.
theme for cushions is white and pink. So, not many actual pink cushions. Oh, this gives me the good feels. What? Oh my god, it's one of them comfy back things. You sit in them like this. Yeah, that's cute. How much? If it's under £10, it's definitely not going to be under £10.
No.
Hang on. Yeah, we got these.
Look how cute this is.
So we're just heading to TK Maxx now, and yeah, basically we bought some things from Ikea, and Ikea is quite a walk away from like.
Exit the roundabout onto Western Avenue.
Ah! What is that? Yeah, and then basically we had to carry all of our stuff from Ikea that we bought, and it was like massive frames. Where is TK Maxx? Great!
Oh,
Where the hell is TK Maxx? Oh no! What? Oh, it's over there.
I see it.
Oh yay! Woo! Okay, so I'm really sorry about like the setting and the background and everything. Basically, because obviously I'm redoing my room, everything's really messy because I'm clearing everything out. But yeah, basically, I'm back home now. I know we didn't vlog much like at all, and I'm really sorry. But we're just having too much fun because like we don't get to see each other much. So yeah, basically. So yeah, I'm gonna do a haul now. I did buy some little bits and bobs, and I found all my furniture I want. That's really, really good, and I'm really happy. Like literally everything I bought. But yeah, I'm doing my homeware haul. I've never done a homeware haul. This is really exciting. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to show you, I actually didn't get much homeware in Primark. So I'll show you Primark. So the first thing I got was not homeware at all. Sorry. I got this like top, and it was £5. So I got it in size extra small, and it's like a pyjama top. So yeah, I got that, and then I just got these pyjama bottoms because Primark pyjama bottoms. I'm sorry, if you have £8 spare, go to Primark, get some pyjama bottoms. I have Barbie ones, and I thought I'd get Tinkerbell ones. They're just like mint green, and they have Tinkerbell on. So, and it says off to Neverland. So I thought I'd just get them for bed. So that's what I got in there. Oh, and then I got some tights for school, £3, and some little lace for tees. £2.50. Oh yeah, disclaimer, everything's bought my own money, quickly, every single little bit, even, oh, except for the tights, because that's for school. Like, even these have bought my own money, besides the tights. Okay, and then getting into a little bit of homeware stuff. The first thing I got from Primark was this little clock, because I'm going to have a bedside cabinet, so I'm going to put it next to me, because it's pastel pink, like baby pink, and it is £4, so that was really good. I just thought I'd get that, it's cute. I've never really had a clock in my room. Exciting. And then I got some fairy lights as well. So these ones were £2.50. They're just warm white battery operated 40 LED lights. And yeah, so I got them, they're cute. And then I got these ones, and they're like £3.50. They're 10 LED lights, not that long at all. And basically, they're like, I'll show you them there. They're like love hearts, does that make sense? You'll see when I do my room, but yeah. Like little love hearts, which is really cute. Oh, and then I got some mints. Cute, cute, cute. I'm literally so excited. Everything will be like, the proper stuff will be started on like Sunday. So yeah, I'm really excited. The floor, like I'm getting a whole new floor on Sunday, and it's Friday. Sorry, stop. Okay, and then we went to Ikea, a little story time. We didn't realise they don't give you bags in Ikea. You have to buy one of them blue bags. And we just walked and we had to carry it all the way to this like next retail park, and it's so annoying. But yeah, anyway, it's all in the range bag, or week to week. There's something wrong with me. Oh, also, no, one more thing. I got from TK Maxx. Oh yeah, from TK Maxx I got my dog a dog toy and these disgusting macarons, whatever you say. They are gross. Right, I went to Lauderay, or however you say it, in Paris. They are divine, these like nice chocolate macarons. So nice. TK Maxx's, no thank you. They stink, like reek of, no. Do not recommend them. That's a big 100% no. Anyway, so in Ikea, I got a few little bits and bobbles. I got a classic skewer pot. I don't really know why I bought it. It was £2. Everyone and their mother has this, and like probably their dog. Your dog could have it. And I don't really know, but it looks quite like a shabby chic, because my room's like going to be like pink, white, shabby chic, basically. So yeah, I got that. I don't really know why. I used to have one, but I got rid of it. And then I got this like organiser for one of my wardrobe things. This was... well, everything was like £1 or £2, so yeah, it was quite cheap. And then I got 3 of these little organisation pots, so they're really handy to have, like just like organising things. I think it was like £1.50 for all of them, I don't know. And then I got loads and loads of photo frames, basically. Because I ordered, right, you know them prints that, what are they called? Oh, you won't know, it won't matter, but I bought these like cute prints from this website. You'll see in my, like, I'll tell you which website one, because I forgot, but I tell you in my actual like room tour. And, or when they come, I'll tell you. And I got tons, and I got all of these ones. So I got one massive 30x40 one. Basically, I'm doing like a collage. I got this 2 21x30 ones, and then 3 13x18. So yeah, that's what I got from Ikea. Was it like that? I don't know. Is the camera moved? I don't really know. Yeah, and then basically, oh, and then in the range, whoop, whoop. Okay, in the range, yay. Okay, in the range, if I say it one more time, it's going to go a bit annoying. I got this cushion. Oh my god, how cute is it? This is going to go on my, either like my sofa or my bed. Yeah, I'm really excited. So, yeah, basically, if you're wondering how the hell is she going to fit a sofa in, because right now it looks like, what? Where's she going to put a sofa? Literally, you're going to see, I've measured everything, don't worry, like, everything is completely different. My room is like, I'm going to have a single bed, like, so I can fit like more in. You're going to see, don't worry, so no one like judge my measuring skills. I've measured my room. Yeah, I got this one, and this was like £7.99. Yeah, £8 this one. And then I got this just pink, baby pink velvet one, and this was, I think, £5 or £6, either one. Yeah, really good. And then I got a bouquet of flowers. Yay. And they look a bit tacky, but when they're in like together, like in like a vase, they'll look really cute. They're fake, obviously, and these were really cheap, like £1 each or like £1.99 each. That was good. And then I went in M&S. Oh, basically, little story time, quick. I actually don't really want this, but yeah. We wanted to get a trolley because we went into Lakeside after, and they do have trolleys at M&S. So we were like, we can't carry all of this around with us because it was so heavy. And we wanted a trolley, but I only had like my card, so I didn't have any cash. I was like, what am I going to do? So I drew out £10, and then I had to find something to buy quickly in M&S so I could get the trolley. So I bought this for £4.80 in the sale. rhubarb flower scented candle. It actually smells so nice, but I don't burn candles in case, like, I'm just scared of like in case a fire starts, I don't know. But yeah, just for decoration, I suppose. Cute, right. Yeah, £4.80. It was in sale from £6. Not really, quite a good sale really. But yeah, M&S, go hit yourself up with M&S. Yeah, I think I got good things in there. I love my cushions. Like, I'm so excited for you to see my room. Like, you don't even know. And also, don't worry, when I'm like doing the room tour, I won't be one of the annoying people that doesn't link anything. Oh my god, that is the worst thing. You're like, oh, I'm gonna go, she's doing a room tour. Oh, I love her cupboard. And like, it's like, where she hasn't linked it. What's she done? Yeah, that's what I got. We got one more shop now. Okay, and then I went into good old HomeSense. Woo! Okay, there's my neighbours. Yeah, HomeSense. I love HomeSense more than you. I don't, obviously. I love you more than anything. Yeah, first of all, oh, hang on, there's my handbag and stuff and my iPad. Hang on. Okay, right. So first of all, I got this candle here, and this is the Pecksniff's England Rose and Peony, and it's £2.99 down. The RRP was £10. Yeah, it's just like this really nice one, and it smells like rose and peony basically. Love it. And yeah, and then I got this photo frame. It honestly, I saw it and it's a bit pricey that I would pay for a photo frame because I'm used to like Ikea, but I was like, you know what, it'll be cute and it's going with my vibe like big time. So I thought, yeah. Oh, it's stunning. It was £8 and it's just this insanely beautiful like photo frame with all like pearls, and I bought it because it reminded me of my Chanel necklace, and honestly I just really like it. Yeah, so it's a 5x7 inch. I just get like a cute photo printed off in that, like one of my prints. Yeah, really cute. I love it, it was, yeah, £7.99. love that. And then my big old purchase I got was a canvas. So it's honestly so beautiful. This is the canvas. I honestly love it. Although that green thing annoys me, but that doesn't really matter. It has like a bag that looks like Chanel, and it has like a candle there, like Paris, like makeup brushes. Not that I wear makeup, but that's not part of it really. Oh. And then we have like fashion books here, which is really cute. And the good thing about that, guys, can you guess? A massive canvas, yeah, only £17. When the running things, a canvas is usually so expensive. What's the RRP? Oh no, it doesn't say. Oh no, the RRP doesn't say. Yeah, I absolutely love it. Oh my god. Right. Okay, so that is actually the end of today's video. I really hope you enjoyed. I promise I'll get back uploading too many times because I didn't upload for 4 days, and that was a long time for me, as you know. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed. Give it a big thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe if you're new to my channel. And yeah, if please, it really helps me out. I'm trying to get to 30k. I'm so literally like less than 1k away now. I think I'm like 900 away from it, and that is incredibly like, that's like amazing to me. Yeah, I love you so much. Bye.